In comes the captain's daughter, the captain of the Yos, saying, brave United man, we'll ne'er again be foes. £1,000 I give you, and fly from home with thee, and dress myself in man's attire, and fight for liberty. We are the boys of Wexford, who fought with heart and hand, to burst in twain the galling chain, and free our native land. I want no gold, my maiden fair, to fly from home with thee. Your shining eyes will be my prize, more dear than gold to me. I want no gold to nerve my arm, to do a true man's part. To free my land I'd gladly give the red drops from my heart. We are the boys of Wexford, who fought with heart and hand, to burst in twain the galling chain, and free our native land. And when we left our cabins, boys, we left with right goodwill, to see our friends and neighbours that were at Vinegar Hill. A young man from our ranks, a cannon he let go, he slapped it into Lord Mountjoy, a tyrant he laid low. We are the boys of Wexford, who fought with heart and hand, to burst in twain the galling chain, and free our native land. We bravely fought and conquered at Ross and Wexford town, and if we failed to keep them, 'twas drink that brought us down. We had no drink beside us on Tubberneering's day, depending on the long bright pike, and well it worked its way. We are the boys of Wexford, who fought with heart and hand, to burst in twain the galling chain, and free our native land. They came into the country, our blood to waste and spill, but let them weep for Wexford and think of all our till. 'Twas drink that still betrayed us, of them we had no fear, for every man could do his part like Forth and Shelmalier. We are the boys of Wexford, who fought with heart and hand, to burst in twain the galling chain, and free our native land. My curse upon all drinking, it made our hearts full sore, for bravery won each battle, but drink lost evermore. And if for want of leaders we lost at Vinegar Hill, we're ready for another fight and love our country still. We are the boys of Wexford, who fought with heart and hand, to burst in twain the galling chain, and free our native land.